Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove or attach the battery of your DJI Mavic Air. So the battery is located actually right here, and to remove it, first you have to for sure open the proppers, the bottom and the upper proppers, and then we can find these two buttons. So we have to slide to this arrow like that until we see this red color. Then grab it, push it into the arrows, and then pull it towards you. And as you can see right now, we easily remove the battery. And to put it back, we have to just put this battery like that, opposite side, so, and push on it, press on it. And as you can see, it's finished. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.